If you're experiencing billing issues on Pluralsight Flow, follow these steps to quickly resolve them. This guide will help you address common problems efficiently. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is up to date. Log into your Pluralsight account, navigate to the billing section, and verify that your credit card or payment information is correct and not expired. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies. Look for any unexpected charges or missed payments that could be causing the issue. This will help you pinpoint the problem. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Pluralsight's customer support. Use the support chat or email options available on their website to explain your billing issue clearly. Step 4. Provide necessary documentation. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your issue, keep track of your request. If you do not receive a response within a few days, follow up with customer support to ensure your billing issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues on Pluralsight Flow quickly. If problems persist, continue to communicate with customer support for further assistance.